magisuot, ante. Ante, gwapa kay ka na, ante. Nag-angayan kay nga na.
Dito. Sige.
Oh, gwapo kayo na, ante, oh.
Smile.
Okay.
Isa te, isa.
Ah, sige. Sige, te. Lakaw-lakaw, te.
Lakaw. Picture man.
Ah, dool-dool ni kasi yung bulak, oh. Kaning bulak ni mo, oh. Ah.
This is my plant. This is
Santan.
Santa. This is bougainvillea. And this is our national flower, Sampaguita. This is called German vine. Oh, she's going inside the ancestral room to eat her breakfast.
She has so many plants. Plants ay plants. Dili plants. She has so many plants to plant plants.
She's going up in the house.
She's going to water her plants.
Dito sa kubangan. She's flowering her plants.
Watering her plants. Saon man ang English? Inihap raman. Wa po mo Bisaya. Sorry lang mo.
I'm Raquel.
Aw, wala na ko nakuhaan si Raquel. Si Auntie Mer ang ikuhaan.
This is my auntie Mer. She's very pretty. I look like her.
Yeah.
Magbantay lang kay transfer na ako na. Sige lang.
What a nice plant she has.
Rare plants. Rare.
This is a rare plant.
What you call that?
Gabi.
Gabi.
Lamig kasi di ka picture Auntie, oh. Tagay Auntie Mer.
Wow.
Di tayo sa ba? Diri ba ang kuan? Diyan ni butan to imong ulo. Oh? Isunod dito imong ulo dire.
Bebe.
Isa